to be a sailor, sailed across the seas. But now I'm just an island since they took my boat away from me. Oh no. I don't like being stationary. No, 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 no. I like the rocky, waving motions of the sea. I sit and rock behind these heady walls, hoping one day they'll fall and send me free. His epitaph, he wrote his eulogy. He said, think that I can die now, but my true love won't come from me. Oh, no. I don't like being stationary. No, 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 no. I like the rocky, waving motions of the sea. I sit and rock behind.
The time has come for me to break out of this little shell. I can no longer be nobody else. I have to see what the world has for me to see. Yes, I finally realized me. Can't let nobody tell me I'm wrong, 'cause I've been bottled up for much too long. Won't hide behind emotions that I feel, 'cause what I feel is so real. Hey, you gotta be
listening to Bar Grooves.